Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, sometimes figures, theorems, and formulas make it difficult to understand science. But some wired and wild scientific facts are interesting to listen and watch. Here you will know about some of these fun facts. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Number 1. How much a cloud can be heavier. When you see and even pass through a cloud, it feels like some foggy object with near to zero weight. But it is shocking to know that a cloud can have a weight of 1,000,000 pounds. A cumulus cloud may weigh up to 1,000,000 pounds. That's roughly the same weight as the world's biggest airplane when fully loaded with goods and passengers. That's how cloud bursts are disastrous. Think of a scenario when a loaded plane flushes all this weight once. Number 2. Count of radioactive elements. Radium, radon, polonium, and banana. That's weird, right? How can bananas be radioactive? Bananas are potassium-rich, as we all know. Fruit is indeed radioactive due to the decay of potassium. You do not, though, have to be concerned. You'd have to ingest 10 million bananas in one sitting to die from radiation poisoning produced by bananas. Number 3. Hot water freezes faster than of cold water. That sounds so unbelievable. This phenomenon known as mpemba effect. Scientists believe this is due to the fact that when water particles are heated, their velocities change, allowing them to freeze more easily. If validated, this discovery might be used for everyday tasks like cooling down electrical devices. Number 4. It is known by everyone that consumption of plastic is hazardous to a living thing, but if this plastic turns into vanilla flavor, then what do? Scientists found that the plastic has the potential to end up vanilla flavored. According to a paper published in the journal Green Chemistry in 2021, researchers have worked out how to turn plastic bottles into vanilla flavor using genetically modified bacteria. The demand for vanillin is increasing quickly, according to the study's authors, because it's used in a wide range of food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, cleaning, and herbicide applications. But don't hold your breath for ice cream tasting like plastic bottles anytime soon. The goal of this study was to show that this conversion is possible, not to determine if it is safe for human ingestion. Number 5. It is another interesting fact that the ocean produces oxygen on Earth. Have you ever considered where oxygen originates from? Your first idea would be obviously a rainforest. But here is a fun fact from science. According to experts, plant-based marine creatures get the credit for a big part of fresh air. More than half of the world's oxygen is produced by plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers. Number 6. Another fact is razor blades can get dissolved in the human stomach. Don't be alarmed if you swallow a razor blade. The human body is capable of far more than you may believe. Acids are graded on a range of 0 to 14. The lower the pH, the more powerful the acid. The pH of human stomach acid ranges from 1.0 to 2.0, indicating that it is quite acidic. Scientists discovered that the thickened back of a single-edged blade disintegrated after 2 hours of immersion in stomach acid in research published in the journal Gastrointestinal Endoscopy. Number 7. Do you know you can't drown in the Dead Sea? The Dead Sea water has a density of 1.24 kg per liter, which makes swimming similar to floating. It is full of salt. Roman era visitors to Judea had begun to refer to the sea as the Dead Sea, as they were mostly struck with how the waters were devoid of all life forms, whether plants or living creatures. So there's no fear of sharks, and most of the tourists enjoy a mineral-rich swim like mud treatments and salt baths, which leads to many health benefits. It's 10 times more salty than the Mediterranean and 3 times more salty the Great Salt Lake in Utah. On the other hand, the water could be actually very dangerous. It is so salty that if it touches your eyes or mouth, you feel real pain. If you inhale it, it could even kill you. Number 8. There can be 3 states existing in water all at once. All of us have heard since childhood that water can exist in either of the three states: solid, liquid, or gas, only one at once. Then, what's this? It turns out that this is known as the triple point. It is a temperature and pressure at which materials exist as a gas, a liquid, and a solid all at the same time. Every material has a different triple point, which is also the only scenario in which all three states of matter may coexist. The triple point of water is at a pressure of 0.006 atm and a temperature of slightly above freezing 0.1 degrees Celsius. Number 9. One popular fact included on numerous strange science facts list is the claim that there are more trees on Earth than stars in our own Milky Way galaxy. According to NASA education and outreach specialist Mackie Mazzetti, most estimates put the number of stars in the Milky Way at between 100 billion and 400 billion stars. However, according to a 2015 report published in the journal Nature, the total number of trees on the planet is far higher. Can you guess? Well, it's around 3.04 trillion. Okay, then we have surplus supply of trees to install single tree per planet in Galaxy Way. Number 10. Caution for readers. Don't drink too much water, it will kill you. It is scientifically possible to die from drinking too much water. It's important to stay hydrated to keep our bodies functioning well. However, too much water can also be fatal. When a dehydrated person drinks too much water without the accompanying electrolytes, they can die from water intoxication and hyponatremia. Number 11. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. An octopus also has 9 brains. There's one main brain where all the analysis and decision-making takes place and 8 ancillary brains, one at the base of each arm that function as preprocessors for all the information obtained by that arm. 2/3 of an octopus neurons reside in its arms, which can independently figure out how to open a shellfish, for instance, while the main brain is busy doing something else. Number 12. Need a gold treasure. Which place is more suitable than ocean? According to an estimate, the ocean contains 20 million pounds of gold. Gold in the ocean waters is so dilute that it would be like looking for sugar grains in a gallon of unstirred coffee. Gold ores can also be found in the depths of the seafloor, but these deposits are encased layers upon layers of rock. Currently, there is no efficient way to retrieve these gold deposits from the ocean. Dear viewers, these are some interesting and shocking science facts. Which one you find more amused and interesting? Tell me in comments. Also, don't forget to like and share the video.